Starting off with a moisturizer from Dot and Key. This is an absolutely gorgeous moisturizer. I love this moisturizer because it helps me reduce my pigmentation on the face, even the pimple marks. Now moving on to primer, I'm using this Smashbox Photo Focus Primer to fill in my pores, and then we will start with the color correction. Now Kiara had a very fresh and clean makeup for which you need your skin to look in a single even tone. These days all the celebrities are slaying the no makeup look really well. This is one of my favorite makeup looks, to be honest. Now using the NY based strobe cream, I'm giving that glow to my face. Can you see how soft and beautiful glow this is giving me? This NY based strobe cream is very affordable and is a dupe of the MAC one. Now once I'm done with this, let's get started with the foundation. Now for foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation, and I'm applying this on my face. This foundation is sheer to medium coverage. uh, when I noticed Kiara's base, it didn't look like she's used a full coverage foundation. Her base was very soft. That's why even I used a medium to sheer coverage foundation. For concealer, I'm using the K Beauty concealer and applying it on the T-zone area. Let's blend this out with the help of a concealer brush. Alright, once I'm done with this, the brushes I'm using today are from the Mars Cosmetics one. These brushes are amazing. Just wait for my review. For cream contour, I'm using the one from Nykaa. It's a concealer palette in the shade Deep 03. So that's what I'm using here. And with a small brush, I'm contouring my nose really well because she has a very pretty and sharp nose. For blush, I'm using the Swiss Beauty palette, and this is actually a lipstick palette, but I'm using the lipstick as a cream blush here, and I'm applying it right above my contour. For setting my face, I'm using the K Beauty translucent powder, using this only in the T-zone area. Now that completes our base. You can see the base looks absolutely stunning. Okay, so I love the way my base is looking today with a beautiful soft glow. Time to do my eye makeup, for which I'm starting with the Blue Heaven eyebrow filling pencil. I'm not giving any shape over here. In fact, I'm just filling in the areas wherever I see gaps. So make sure your eyebrows are very natural, at the same time they look filled in. Once I'm done with that, using this Morphe X DM Styles eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use these two colors. Now I'm going to pick that beautiful peachy sort of a color and apply it all over my eyelids like so. I'm going to pick the lightest shade of brown color and I'm just going to blend in the edges of this peach color. That's all we are going to do for eye makeup. I had no idea that such subtle minimal looks could look so beautiful. In fact, I'm gonna create my wedding makeup look very soon, so stay tuned for that. Using the K Beauty kajal, I'm not gonna use a lot of kajal here, just 1 to 2 strokes. She was actually wearing a brown kajal, but since I don't have a brown one, I'm using a black one here. I'm not going to use any false eyelashes. That's why I've curled my lashes. And what better mascara to use than the Maybelline one. This gives you that beautiful volume that you want, the length that you want. And yes, this is absolutely favorite mascara of mine. Using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade maroon, I'm just outlining my lips and I'm going to fill in my lips with the same lip liner. Once you're done with that, we are going to use the Smashbox lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. I'm going to put all the links in the description for you guys. And finally, I'm just using the Faces Canada setting spray and I'm spraying my face. For hairstyle, we're just gonna do a sleek bun with a center partition, added some jewelry, bindi, and that completes my look. I love creating looks like this. If you guys want me to recreate more such celebrity looks, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. Until then, take care. Bye bye.